Welcome all. In this video, we are going to see the objective type question and answers in combinational circuits. So first one, the number of selection lines required for a 1 to 8 demultiplexer is. Demultiplexer which directs the data input in a single input line to any one of the multiple output lines. So the block diagram of this demultiplexer will be like this. That is, it has only one input line and there is 2 power n output line. In general, there is one input line and 2 power n output line. So it directs this input into any one of this output lines, and the selection of this output line depends upon the selection line. So it has n number of selection lines. Okay, so it is a block diagram of demultiplexer which has single input and 2 power n output, n selection line. This is a general one. Here it is a 1 to 8 demultiplexer. That means there is single input and 8 output lines. That means 2 power n is 8. Okay, so 2 power n is equal to 8, and you have to find the number of selection lines. Number of selection lines are n. 2 power n is 8, so definitely n is equal to 3. So the answer is n is equal to 3. That is the answer. Next question, which of the following multiplexers is sufficient to implement the function of ABC is equal to sum of minterms 0, 1, 2, 5. Apart from multiplexer, only inverter is allowed. Okay, so we know multiplexer. This is a general block diagram of multiplexer which has 2 power n input lines and single output line. Which input line has to be sent to the output is decided by the selection line. Okay, so any Boolean function can be implemented by means of this multiplexer. And if the Boolean expression is a function of n variable, n variable means you can implement this Boolean function by means of two ways using this multiplexer. First one, you can apply all the n variables to this selection line, or you can apply n minus 1 variable into this selection line. Okay, there is two methods. For example, if the function consists of 3 letters, that is A, B, C. Okay, there is two methods. First one, you can give this BC as a selection line and the output is expressed as the function of this third literal. That means the output may be 0 or 1 or A bar. Okay. Another method, you can give all the 3 variables into selection lines. In this method, your output is either 0 or 1. So you can implement the n variable Boolean function as you can give all the n variable into the selection lines of the multiplexer, or n minus 1 variable into the selection line, and the output is expressed as the function of the third literal or another literal. Here in this question, we have 3 variables. Okay, so A, B, C. So that is 3. You can use this 3 as a selection lines. If you are using this as a selection line, means the corresponding multiplexer is, that is n value is 3. So 2 power n is 8. So the corresponding multiplexer is 8 cross 1 multiplexer. Another method is you can give n minus 1 variable as a selection lines. N minus 1, that is 2. Okay, so 2. Now the multiplexer selection lines are 2 and the input line is 2 power 2, that is 4. So 4 cross 1 multiplexer. So there is two options to implement this Boolean function, either by using 8x1 multiplexer or 4x1 multiplexer. The answer is B.